What is the order?
We finally had a verdict today.
What is the order,
The
sir?
judge has pronounced the judgment today. The accused has been acquitted of all the charges.
What was the ground, sir?
Well, we still don't know. We are waiting for the copy of the judgment. But the state will be preferring an appeal.
But judge must
The
have
state will
read
be
some of
aggrieved
the
and the state will be preferring an appeal against the judgment. That's all that I can say at this point.
State will challenge
Yes, yes, for sure.
Yeah.
That's for sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right?
So it will be challenged in High Court.
Yes, sir. Very much.
Will it be time bound?
Certainly will have to be, because we still have to get a copy. That's what we were doing right now. We were applying for a copy of the judgment. So no sooner we get that, we will be going to the reasons assigned by the judge, and of course we will be preferring an appeal. There is a certain period within which it has to be filed, and we will be filing within that time frame. That's for sure.
Sir, do you see it as a setback?
Yes, serious setback. Serious, yeah. That's why we feel seriously aggrieved, and therefore we'll be preferring an appeal against that. That's for sure.
Total, how many years quickly worked on this case?
Pardon?
How many years this case?
Well, no, it was filed in the year 2014, but the incident took place in November 2013. Of course, as you know, there were various reasons as to why it has taken so long. There was initially, of course, the accused went on, he wanted a discharge from the case, so he went up to the Supreme Court and got a stay order. And then, therefore, that's how the trial was stopped for a while. It was staged stopped for a good 2 years. And then it was resumed sometime in 2019, which I think is August 2019. And since August 2019, it has been going on. And since September 2020, it has been going on a day-to-day basis. Right?
So that is next government is challenging this case?
That's it. That's it. No sooner we get a copy. That's it.
Okay.
That's it.